Alright traders, so in this video I want to discuss about what really happened in Nifty and Nifty Bank today, Wednesday 27th May 2020. So today Nifty Bank went up about 7.5%, Nifty went up by 3.5%. So what really happened today? You know, this was all expected. Sooner or later we all knew that something of this magnitude was going to happen. Nifty Bank, talking about Nifty Bank, we were at a very crucial level around the 17,370. Also, we touched the 17,000 level. And we were at that point that either you go down and free fall from that place because there is no support, or we bounce back. We have some kind of retail interest spiking in here, and banks bounce up. And that's what exactly happened. Today, the entire rally on all the indexes were basically due to the rally in Nifty Bank, the private bank index, and also to some extent by the Nifty Financial Services Index. All the other indices like IT did do a good job. It was up a little bit, but all the other sectors, they are still at their very, the nominal zones. They haven't performed a lot today. So entire rally today was due to the banking sector, private sector banks, and your financial services sector like Bajaj Finance, Cholamandalam, etc. So, what do we do today? What were the things that we had to do today? What were the levels that we had to trade today? I had given everything in my WhatsApp group to you at around 11:30 before all of this happened. So if you haven't joined my WhatsApp group yet, make sure you message us on Instagram and join our WhatsApp group. And so today at 11:30, we had given you levels for Nifty Bank. We had given you levels for Nifty. So we'll just analyze these levels in a minute. Before I get on to that, all our mentorship clients, so whoever has taken our technical analysis program, also have access to our exclusive discussion forum, which is an open group. And this is one of the best benefits that we have for our mentorship clients. We have a lifetime support, and we have an active conversation where all the students, all the traders keep on engaging in discussion. They are recommending levels, we are giving advice to each other, we are earning profits together. So this is one way that my mentorship clients are covering their fees in a day, in a week, and in a very short period of time. Particularly what I want to talk about at 12, around 12:30 or maybe 11:30 in this group. So in this group, I'm giving a lot of recommendations as well of what to do, what strategy to adopt. So that's benefit of my technical analysis program. Anyways, so around 12:43, I have given in my group that Nifty, we should see some buying tomorrow, and 1,000 points move is going to come from this level. So it was already given by me, and my mentorship clients have taken advantage of this. So around 12:43, the price of Nifty Bank was. Let me change the time zone for you. So the price was about around 12:43. Yeah. So we were about at this price. Yeah. So we were about at the 18,000 levels. So at this time, I had given a recommendation that 1,000 point increase is going to come. So jump into your positions. And we got a very big, profit from 18,000 to around the 18,880 levels. That was a very good thing that we all had predicted together. Okay, so what are the levels? Let's get on to technical stuff now. What are the levels that we had to trade today? This was a very important resistance before the day opened. Around 17,650 levels. We were not able to go above this level, so we had to go short on whenever we hit those levels. And whenever we breached those levels, it was a breakout, and we could have aimed for a target of 17,900 levels, which was a very important support resistance for the last couple of days. And that's why when the Nifty Bank Index hit this price, it did correct back a little bit. So you should have booked your profits here, or you should have trailed the stop loss. Another big momentum that happened today was when the 17,900 level was breached. So when this level was breached, you had to go long again and aim for a target of the 18,200 levels, which was a very, very strong resistance. So that was another profit booking area that we had done. and once this level was breached, that was another rally, and you could have gone long again. So in Nifty Bank, we had a couple of movements today. I had given all these levels in my group. So one long entry here, another long entry here, another long entry here. I would be only going long today. The reason for that is market structure is long, it's bullish, so there is no reason for me to go short today. So do remember these knickknacks. Talking about Nifty now. So Nifty also, we had given the same levels to all of you. The 9,000 was a very important support. We were not able to breach that. So this was a time where you could start buying. The target number one would be the 9,100 levels. And that is the reason why we had seen a little bit resistance at this point. Another entry would not be right now, but when we breached this area of resistance, and we could then aim for a target of 9150, 9160. And the last entry in Nifty that we witnessed today was when we breached the 9160 level with a lot of conviction, and that was a time again we went long. So I told all my mentorship clients. So today I was focused on this, and I was covering that we should keep on trailing our stop loss today. So um, we were walking the band as I'm discussing. So I had said that we should trail the SL and not book profits very soon today. So this is what happened in Nifty Bank today. Do let me know if you earned profit from our levels, and what are the mistakes that you did, and what are some advice and recommendations for all of us that we can learn together. And I'll see you next time.